Hi guys, so we are going to do an experiment here today. So what do we need is a candle, some color water, a glass and a lighter. So I have an electric lighter here. So what we did is we had put the glass, and as we know, so there is a candle. This is a candle and this is an empty glass. As soon as we put the glass, it replaces the water because of the air, and all the water is outside, right? Now we'll do it again. Mira, can you please put this up?
Oh, sure, sure.
So now we are going to, no, you have to hold the glass.
Oh, sure.
Sure. Now we will lit up the candle. So we are going to lit up the candle, and as soon as we lit up the candle, we know fire needs oxygen for burning. So now as soon as we will cover it, the water will be replaced, and whatever amount of oxygen, once it gets used, it would start sucking the water level and water will go up. So now you see that water is up. Previously it was not there, but because of fire has burned the oxygen inside it, and fire tried to pull the oxygen from outside, so water get inside here, and there is a difference in level. Previously the water was here, now it's inside. We'll real quick repeat the experiment. Can you take the glass up?
Oh, sure.
Now I'm going to put it down again. So the
Explore.
water has been replaced. You see the white circle. Take the glass up again. Now we are trying to burn it. So now it is burning.
And when I just put the glass up, the water explored.
I think it's wet, so that's why it's not burning.
Okay, yeah, I will get.
Let me get another lighter and then it would work.
Um, Hi guys, so I made one experiment with the one chalk. Let's see. It's a chalk, and it's like a chalk, a bubble one, and a chalk. You'll grind it, and then first you'll grind the chalk, and then
Okay, come.
you'll put it here, and then put 2-3 spoons of a bubble, and then it'll explode.
So guys, now it's up again. Instead of electric lighter, I tried this other one, the real fire. This was just the electro fire, like the current fire, so it didn't work anyways because it was wet. So now Mira, can you please help covering it?
Oh, sure.
So we'll see that once we put it down, it would replace the water, and you see a white patch, but as soon as the fire gets extinguished, it would suck the water in, and the level of the water has risen up so much. Isn't it the magic? I hope you have liked this experiment. Give us a like and subscribe the video.